Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna do a nano ceramic coating on the F-150. See, I'm gonna use this armor shield nano ceramic coating. I did it on the car and it seems like it's working pretty good, you know. And the truck, I've been using Mcguire ceramic wax. See, as you can see, it beats pretty good. But either way, you know, see, either way, I want to try the Avalon armor shield and see what it does on the truck. And yeah, it's a long process, you know. It's gonna take anywhere from 2 to 6 hours depending how much detail you need on your truck. See, but I'm gonna start by I'm gonna start by washing the truck. I'm gonna wash it, use the foam blaster, and then rinse it off, and then put soap again and wash it by hand. And then after that, we're gonna go with I bought Mcguire's quick detailer with some clay bar. It's a kit. It comes with 2 clay bars and a quick detailer spray, and then it also comes with a microfiber towel. And then I'm gonna use the compound to take out any bigger scratches on the truck. Then after that, we're gonna polish it, and then if the polish doesn't take the swirl marks away, we're gonna try this turtle wax scratch remover. I'm not gonna make you guys watch everything, you know, so I'm gonna just fast forward whatever, or just give you guys some of the details we're gonna do as the process goes. So yeah, I'm gonna start by washing it. So I'm gonna turn on the power wash, so see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so I just pulled the truck in the garage. We're gonna dry it up real good. And see. And once I dry it off, I'm gonna pull it out so I can show you guys some of the scratches it has and see if I could make them go away or not. Because I'm not a professional at detailing, so yeah, so hopefully everything comes out good. Alright guys, so the truck is nice and dry, all cleaned up. I'm getting ready to do the clay bar next. See, I'm gonna try to get some scratches it has. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, that scratch there, that one there, there. And then yeah, it has some few scratches around, you know. Yeah, right there. And then I don't know what the hell is this, but I don't know, it looks like paint, like overspray from something all over this back panel. So maybe when they painted the house, or when the neighbors got their house painted or something. See, and then yeah, well, there's a few details like that, you know. So alright guys, so we're getting ready to do the clay bar. So So yeah, I bought the Mcguire's detailer and some clay bar, and then it also came with a microfiber towel. Just spray it sections like that, and then you could feel all the junk is collecting. See? Yeah, just keep doing it for a few passes until it feels nice and smooth. It slides like nothing. Otherwise you could feel it grabbing. And just keep folding this thing up so you're not spreading all the junk around. See? So you could see this thing was nice and white, now it's all brown. After that, just after it feels nice and smooth, you'll be able to see it. Right here it feels rough. Over here it feels nice and smooth. So yeah, just keep doing that. If you see any stuff like that, just pass the thing again. See, it goes away. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start to polish this. Well, first I'm gonna use compound. There was a big scratch there, so I'm gonna use compound and see if we could get rid of it. Yeah, if you're doing it by hand, it's gonna take you hours to do this. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the polisher. So just go ahead and throw some compound on it. Spray it around. And we're gonna start doing it evenly across, back and forward. So then up and down. Yeah, and just do that little by little, and then clean it up. And then check on the scratch he's trying to get rid of. See, like we got rid of part of the scratches. There's still some more. So what you could do on that one is just do another pass. You know, because you gotta be careful. You don't want to burn the paint either. Especially if you're not an expert like me, you know. Doing this where I see the worst scratches. Alright guys, so yeah, I'm gonna keep doing this. You know, still got a lot more work to do all around the truck, so I'll keep you guys updated in the next step. See, and this is the ceramic coating. Comes with a microfiber, some gloves. And then it comes with a few tissues or little rags. Those are you're supposed to put them on like that, and then wet soak that with this. Alright guys, so see, I grabbed my razor blade and cut through this. That way you could push in the claw and hold it better, you know. Instead of holding it with your fingers, you just push it in and it's gonna hold by itself. So yeah, so first thing you gotta do is you can grab some rubbing alcohol and wipe everything. That way it cleans all the whole surface and you don't have any wax or polishes and stuff on it. So once it's nice and clean, shake this really good. And the instructions, it says to do about 12 drops. Let's just make sure this thing is nice and soaked. Then after that, you're gonna do it, you know, do it across evenly. You can see where it's all wet, getting wet. Usually you can see on the reflection where it's wet and where it's not. After that, just soak it up a little bit more. Just make sure it's nice and wet. And then we're gonna go up and down. And then you're supposed to let it sit for a few minutes. Well, depending on your weather. Yeah, it says here if you're 15 Fahrenheit, it's 4 or 5 minutes, 60, 2 to 3 minutes, 70, plus wait 1 minute. So right now we're around 70 degrees here, so I'm gonna just let it sit for a minute. I'm gonna be prepping the next bumper cover. And same thing on this side. Go evenly all across and come back. And you go downwards. Alright, so now we're gonna let that one sit for a minute. We're gonna go back to this first one, and that's why you have this, their special microfiber towel, and just wipe it off. Just check, make sure you get all the residue away, because usually from up close you can see. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see on camera or not, but it looks nice and shiny. So let's see. I'm gonna keep doing this, and I'll show you guys the results at the end. Alright guys, so the truck is all done. I did the ceramic coating. It looks pretty good. So it was a lot more work than I thought, you know. It took me almost 2 days to do everything. I could have done it faster if I didn't do any of the polish, or I wanted to get it done as best I can. So I'm gonna pull this out and let you guys look at it. Alright guys, so there it is. The truck is all done now after 2 days it's all done after 2 full days of working on it. It's all done. It's not the best, but you know, it didn't come out too bad. See, I'll do an update and see how this ceramic coating works. So yeah, so alright guys, so thanks for watching, and hope you guys have a great day, and see you guys next time.